this is HDM Tech. So welcome to the review of Boat Airdopes 441. So today we are going to see how it works, how the audio quality is, and how the fitting and design is. So let's begin. First, the design. It's a capsule shaped case. It's a little bit thicker, but no issue, it fits in your pocket perfectly. You can easily drop your earbud into the case and it will fit and charge. So the earbuds comes with rubber tip, so you can say it's little Samsung Galaxy Buds inspired buds. So the fit is awesome. You can easily forget that you have a buds on your ears or not. The connectivity and range are fine. It connects with almost every device easily and had no issues with me at least. And the range is also just fine. You will not get any hiccups while roaming around or going just out of your room. The connection time is also good. First time when you are pairing the device, you have to open the case and manually pair the device. And second time when you open the case, it will instantly connect to your device and you'll be good to go. And it has IPX7 rating, so it is water resistant. And obviously we do not get wear detection with this price point. But the gestures are good. One tap for play pause. To activate Google Assistant, you have to press and hold for 2 seconds. To receive a call, you have to tap for once, and same for hang up. And double tap on the right earbud to go to the next track, and double tap on the left earbud to go to the previous track. And if you have to reject a call, press and hold for 2 seconds on any of the earbud. Now the drivers is just 6mm, so you have to keep the volume level above 60 to get good music experience. Okay, so let's talk about the audio. Audio is just fine on these earphones considering the price point. So the bass is powered in this earphones, so as it is a Boat earphone, so bass is always powered in these earphones. Though it is not overpowered, so you will get a good punchy bass, but as soon as you cross the volume level above 80, it will be overpowered and you will not get any good music experience. So you have to keep it low, below 80 at least. The mids vocals are fine. Listening to music or watching a video is fine in these earbuds. And the lows are also pretty good. Not that good, but lows are also just fine. So if I have to rate out of 10, I would rate bass 8.5 out of 10. Then the vocals 8 out of 10, and lows I would say 7.5 out of 10. So overall you will get a balanced sound quality with this, and if you love bass, this is for you. So the bass is not overpowered, but it is punchy and feeling. Also the call quality in these earphones are good. In the indoor conditions it works fine, but the outdoor conditions are little unstable, so it will capture a little bit of noise from outside. So that's not a big issue, but it's fine. But there is a tweak. When you will play a game, you will definitely notice a delay in the audio. So when I was playing PUBG, the sound quality was nice, but the latency was high. So you will feel delay in firing guns and all that. So there is a chance you might get killed because of this Boat Airdopes. It's not a huge delay, but you can notice the delay. And it will give you 30 hours of battery backup with a full charge, including case and the earbuds. So that's pretty nice. Although it doesn't have fast charging, but it comes with USB Type-C cable and it works pretty well. Also there are some small details in this Boat earbuds. So while you are charging, when it is between 0 to 35%, it will blink a red LED, and when you are between 35 to 70%, it will blink purple LED, and when you are above 75%, it will blink blue LED and stays solid when fully charged. And also when you touch the sensor, it lights up red, so that's pretty cool. Also many color options are available on these earbuds. So overall it's a good sounding earphones, unless the latency while you play a game, and the 6mm drivers are too short for levels above 80. But that's just 2 minor tweaks. So considering the price point, 2500 rupees, I would definitely recommend you to buy these earphones. The company doesn't claim any noise cancellation, but it has rubber tips, so it will just pack your ears and it will lower down a little bit of noise from outside. So that's it for Boat Airdopes. Like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for watching. My name is Hardik and I'll see you guys in the next one.